So we want to get started with the actual walnut pesto, which again, as you said, a little fancy. It's champagne taste and beer budget, which is what I absolutely love. So we are using walnuts for this beautiful pesto.
We're using a ton of basil. This is like actually one of the things I'm most excited, which is that mountain of basil.
Yes.
It smells, we haven't done anything yet and it smells great in here, so.
Yes, so we have about 2.5 cups of basil right in the food processor here, and we're going to add our walnuts, as well as some freshly grated Parmesan cheese.
So all the usual pesto suspects other than the walnuts, which is a little bit of a different twist, right?
And our garlic, and then we have our oil. So we could feed it through the top here, but for the first little bit, I'll just put some in. Don't dump all of your oil in right away. You may want a little bit more or a little less than the recipe states, depending on the desired thickness.
Consistency.
And then we'll just let her go for a bit.
Okay.
That easy.
Yeah.
Absolutely. We could put some in here as well, and just get that to pulp up.
I don't know what it is. I love watching pesto come together. It's just very soothing. It's just very relaxing.
It smells great, right?
Yes, and that. Okay, but we've already got some that we've made up here.
Absolutely.
So what now?
Great, so now we would assemble our flatbread. So you can pick your favorite flatbread from the store, and it's super simple. So we'll take our pesto here and just put it all over in a nice thin layer.
Hold that for you.
Oh, why, thank you. So we'll get that out. So just assemble it quite nicely.
Again,
here.
like it's as much as you kind of want to put. I mean, you don't want to like load it up too much, but a little bit more, a little bit less, depending on your taste.
Absolutely,
How much
to your
pesto
desired
taste you want on there. Yeah.
Absolutely. That's what's great about this. It's highly customizable too, right? So
Right.
for myself, I like to load it up with turkey. Or maybe a little bit extra cheese on there as well.
A little extra turkey. I mean, that just makes sense. That just makes a lot of sense.
Great. And then now that we have the pesto on, we are going to take some of our tomatoes here and just lay them out in a nice little pattern.
Okay. And so one of the questions I wanted to ask is that this is obviously a really awesome recipe to use for leftover turkey.
Absolutely.
Is there a particular, like for the flatbread, would you be best using more of the lighter meat, or does it really matter? Anything goes?
Absolutely. So I like to use my lean turkey breast. So with a thigh or something else, you might have a little bit more fat in it, so it could seep into the flatbread. Okay. So I love using this turkey breast. It's packed with protein. So there's in a 100-gram serving, there's 30 grams of high quality protein. So now high quality protein will help you to build muscles, keeps your immune system healthy, and really just fuels your body. So this is very good news.
Yeah.
We also know that protein is a macronutrient. So it's made of smaller parts called amino acids, and there's 20 of them. So we have 11 that are non-essential, which your body can produce. So you don't need to seek those out elsewhere. But we also have 9 in turkey that your body doesn't produce on its own.
Wow. So delicious, nutritious, obviously. And so now you got the turkey on. Now we're putting, is that mozzarella cheese?
Mozzarella.
Okay.
Let's load it up with the cheese, and then we can throw it right in the oven.
Okay. So actually, we've got one going here that we're going to check out these Manitoba turkey. Love these. Okay,
Always on brand.
Take this one out.
Great, perfect.
All right, and you can fire that one in there.
This one right in.
Da 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 da. That's just a beautiful thing right there. So that's what it's going to look like when it comes on out of the oven. But we're not quite done with it yet.
Not just yet.
So you want some arugula on there?
Absolutely. So nice, healthy, a handful of arugula or two, and then we just drizzle it with canola oil at the end, so it makes it a really stunning appetizer. Lovely dish. Perfect.
Fantastic. I love that. Okay, so flatbread, again, made with this incredible pesto with walnuts and Manitoba turkey. So look, when we come back, we've got another incredible story, a Manitoba farm family that helps bring all of these local ingredients that we use all the time here at Great Taste and in your kitchen as well. Stick around.